Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this set using acrylic. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Okay guys, so if you don't already know, I have an Etsy shop where I sell my custom-made press-on nails, and I have a few sales on there, but I would love more. So if you guys are interested in purchasing or just looking at my shop, make sure you hit the link in the description below. So I'm not really going to be talking throughout this whole video, but I just wanted to let you guys know what I'm doing. I'm using Valentino Beauty Pure's acrylic. I'll leave the actual one that I'm using in the link, in the description, I'm sorry. So you guys can know, because I just hate when I can't remember right now. But anyway, I like to do each nail at a time, like on a little separate stand. So you see I already did the first hand. I'm going to start the second hand. But these I wanted to really spice it up a little bit, make them like super luxurious, you know, add some Swarovski, how do you say, I never can say that right, Swarovski crystals, just so that price can go up, you know what I mean? Because I'm kind of like trying new things. I really want to, you know, add things onto the press-on nail so it can be a little bit higher in price and so it can be worth it, you know. I want people to really see that they can have like acrylic type nails. You can change it up, you know. If you use a sticker, it's really easy to take it off, put it back on, take it off, whatever you need to do. I know a lot of people, a lot of my customers, they either work out a lot, or they're you know, their jobs won't allow them to have long nails or even colorful nails. So this is like this is the ideal solution. So don't forget guys, check out that Etsy shop in the description below. All right. So as you can see, this acrylic powder actually came this way. I didn't mix it or anything. That's why I'm like obsessed with it. But make sure you guys check that out too. Valentino Beauty Pure, they're my go-to. I have their entire line of acrylic powders, and they are just awesome. So guys, continue to watch this video. I'm going to be speeding through it, and then you'll see the final results. Make sure you watch until the end. All right? Okay guys, so as we're coming up on the end of this video, I hope you really like these sparkly beautiful nails. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload, and I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye!